see. Whoa, look at that. What's on there?
A butterfly!
Oh my goodness. Cool.
No, Keegan, I said no.
You could hang your necklaces on there. You could hang Harley's clothes on there.
I can hang
They're
my
probably
legs.
good for your big necklaces.
Mommy, this one.
Oh, what's that? Is that one for Keegan?
No, I said that one.
Okay.
Mama,
What? Oh, Tinkerbell.
it has stickers on it. See?
Awesome. Cool.
Keegan, what? Mommy, help me open it? No, Mommy.
You want a sticker? All right. What's in the package?
I want to. Mommy, this.
Oh, how nice.
Daddy, this. Sticker. Mom, look.
Oh my goodness. More books? What's that one? A Birthday for Bear.
This one. This one has stickers on it.
Oh, sticker stories.
See? Sticker.
Oh, you can make your own story by putting the stickers on the pages, I think. That looks like fun. Is there more in there? Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
see?
Oh yeah.
I did you all those presents.
What?
I did.
No, these are from Grandma and Grandpa Bargman. Nice try though. Way to take credit.
I did her one present.
Yeah. You
You
gave her
gave
the
a pony.
ponies. Yeah.
That was my little.
Yeah. That was nice of you to give her the ponies.
Mommy, look.
Oh, how pretty.
What's it say?
It says, I love sunny days.
I love it.
You do? Good. What else? There's a lot in there.
No.
Grandma must have been busy shopping.
Mama. There's some things in there.
Oh.
Well, it feels like it. Mama.
What is that?
A butterfly necklace.
Oh my goodness, how pretty.
What's this?
I don't know.
It's a fairy necklace.
Oh, how pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It has its own special box.
I like it. Okay, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. There's a lot going on here.
There's still more in this one.
What's that?
I don't know. Hey, look, it's Princess Cookie Glasses.
Nice.
Mommy, I got one. I got some too.
I know. What's on
Yeah.
yours, Keegan?
Cars. You got cars on yours, right? What's this?
I don't know. A big thing of tissue paper? Let me see.
Harley. Hannah for Harley.
Oh, more clothes for Harley that you can put in
Thing.
her little wardrobe.
Uh-oh, I dropped my phone. I can do the phone.
These must be for Harley's birthday. I guess Grandma got Harley some presents.
This is for Harley, too.
Oh my goodness.
It's a dress. See, it's a dress.
Oh, how cute. That looks like a dress you would wear.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Doesn't it, Keegan?
Oh, there's one more thing. Mama, look. For Harley.
Oh, a
This is-
headband
This
too.
is a headband.
That is so cute.
It's for Harley. And there's, oh,
Short tights.
yeah, shirt ties
Cute.
for Harley to wear under this.
Man, Harley's going to be busy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Mama, can I put this necklace on?
Yes. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thanks.